setting up my ads, and just executing everything. So I put everything up on the whiteboard, and I literally treat it as an art. Guys, you have got to be different. You have got to attack this differently if you're trying to succeed, especially in 2018, guys. There's a million people right at this moment trying to get into Shopify, trying to get into dropshipping, trying to make money online. Millions of people, right as we speak, they're opening up their trials on Shopify. So how are you going to be different from them? It's all in the head. It's all in the head, guys. You have got to be creative. For your ads, for your interest, for your influencers, you have got to be creative. You have got to think outside the box, guys. I just wanted to show this video because all you see nowadays is the Lambo, the Rolex, and 5-star restaurants, bro. That's all you see now. You know what I'm saying? People fucking traveling and doing all this shit. No one ever shows what it really is to sit down and work. And that is me working, guys. I literally treat it as an art, as I said. I put down the product that I'm going to advertise. I put on some music. I have got to be in a good mood. You cannot sit down and try to make money online in a bad mood, guys. Remember, mindset, mindset, mindset. You have got to be positive. You have got to feel good. You have got to be super pumped. You got to be hyped. You already got to see, you got to see it in your mind that you already have this money. You have to already see that this product is going to sell, that this interest is going to work, that this influencer is going to bring you money. If you try something and you don't believe in it, it comes off in your work. So the second you sit down, for those of you who are starting onto this journey, man, if you're in a bad mood, don't even try it, guys. Don't even try it. Don't even try to work that day or that hour or whatever. You have got to be in an excellent mindset mood. All right, you got to feel good. You got to put in some music, man. You know what I mean? You got to love your working space, and you just got to zone out, man. Don't think about any girls. Don't think about your friends. Don't think about what you're going to do this weekend. Don't think about what you have to buy. Don't think about your worries. Don't think about the things you owe. You can't think about anything. Remember, where energy goes. Check this out, guys. You know who said this? Einstein. I believe it was Einstein. I could be wrong. It was either Einstein or Edison. It was one of them. But guys, where focus goes, energy flows, guys. That is super real. Where focus goes, energy flows. And if you have energy backed up behind you, you're going to be more successful in whatever you do. Maybe it's not e-com. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's in the arts. Or even in your job, guys. Alright? Like, this is practical shit that you could implement. And you could see an effect like this, guys. Like this. I'm telling you. So, I'm just trying to be 100% transparent here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was super quick. You know, it's nothing... nothing crazy. I didn't drop any crazy ass value bombs. But I'm gonna, because I do have a crazy video that I was talking to one of my first students. We're gonna take 0 to 100 real quick. So I filmed everything, but that needs a lot of editing to be done because there's like a lot of context that you guys won't understand. And then that was before I cleared my board, so I had all my shit there, like everything. And guys, I can't do that. Come on, that's not smart business for 1 million people online to see all my shit. You know, it's just not smart. So I couldn't upload that. But this is just a short little video, guys. You're gonna see me literally how I do it, man. I put on some music, I zone out, I take my shirt off, I go in front of my whiteboard and I zone the fuck out, guys. And that is it. That is it. That is what makes me successful in what I do. Alright? Again, if you're a cynic, if you're negative, if you think everything that's happening to you is somebody else's problem, bro, don't get into this business because it's not easy. This shit is hard as hell. Every day I wake up, I stare at fear. Alright, because you could lose money, guys. You could lose money. Any day you could be doing good and then, bam, your ads could flunk. Alright, you got to see what's going on. Alright, what can I change? How can I make this ad work? Shit, it's time to cut it, you know? There's just so many different situations that could happen. So, you have to be in a crazy mindset. If you're a quitter, there's hope. I mean, there's hope. Like I said, number one thing is read, think, and grow rich and get into the self-improvement area. Guys, I used to fucking quit everything as a little kid. Alright, I used to quit everything. Anything hard, I would quit. That was just the conditioning I had in my mind. So, it could be done, guys. I don't want to discourage you, but you can't be a cynic, man. You got to believe that this is possible. This is possible. We're in the digital gold rush, guys. Take action. Take action. Oh, yeah. Like it, man. Like it. I'm not going to tell you to subscribe because you'll subscribe sooner or later. But just hit the like so my relevancy goes up and more people can see what I'm providing. All right, take care, guys. God bless. God bless.
Nacho, 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 nacho.